Hi everybody. Let's see what I've got in my refrigerator. I found some carrots which are very fresh. I've got beans, I've got patta gobi, I've got potatoes, then I've got onions and then very fresh peas which I have peeled and kept in the refrigerator. Then some more vegetables. Let's see what else I can find. So let us make a very delicious one pot meal along with rice and vegetables. Now I've chopped all the vegetables. These are the beans. I've chopped them small. You can even chop them squares or lengthwise as per your requirement. This is spring onion. The stem and the onion I have kept here. The stems I have kept separate. These are the peas, carrots. This is patta gobi, the cabbage. Then this is cauliflower. I've made it into small florets. Potatoes also I'm adding because I don't have mushrooms and capsicums. This is all I had in my refrigerator, so I'm going to make this one pot meal with all these veggies. Then these are the onions, the normal ones. I have removed each leaf from the other, and this is the spring onions. And one lemon I will require. Then I will need finely chopped garlic and ginger, little bit of sesame oil, and vegetable stock. You know how to make vegetable stock. You take all the vegetables that you want. You can take it with the skin after washing it nicely, like potatoes, onions. Then you can take carrots, cabbage, any vegetable, and then you cook it in a lot of water for quite some time. After all the juices ooze out of the vegetables and only the fiber is left, you strain it and you use it in soups and in other preparations. That is called vegetable stock. So we will be making this one pot rice meal in vegetable stock. And you can add a few vegetables. Like I had all these in my refrigerator, so I'm using only these veggies. But you can add capsicums of all colors. You can add mushrooms, broccoli. Then you can add baby corn. It's up to you. Whatever vegetables you like, you can keep on adding in this one pot meal. Now the first step to making one pot meal is you make vegetable stock, and then after that you soak some rice. Take long grain basmati rice and soak it for half an hour after washing it thoroughly. This is long grain basmati rice. Soak it for half an hour, then put it to boil. While the rice is getting cooked, let us make the vegetable stock. Now the rice is 80% done. See? बिल्कुल पूरा नहीं पका है, slightly कच्चा है. So let us put it off and drain out all the water and run it through cold water. When you run it through cold water, then एक दाना अलग अलग रहता है and it doesn't become like all joined together. Let the extra water drain out. Now fry the ginger garlic which I had chopped fine in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. There's no need to brown it, just enough so that the flavors blend with the oil. Then let us start adding the potatoes first. Potatoes take long to get done, to soften up, so we are going to fry them until they turn light brown. Usually in Chinese dishes and all you don't use potatoes, but I am using them instead of mushrooms. They also give a nice taste in rice. See, the potatoes are done, so let us add the beans, because beans also take some time. We have to keep things crispy. Don't make them too soft also, the beans. Just give it a stir fry. Now let us add the vegetables. Stir fry quickly, we want them crunchy. Now let us add the onion leaves and the spring onion. Stir fry quickly. Don't want them to soften up. They have to give that crunchy feel. Put off the gas. See the rice? आधा तैयार है, थोड़ा सा कच्चा है, just a little. And this is the stock. Now let us start mixing the one pot meal. First of all, take a dekchi, a nice one, or you can take a earthenware pot, or you can take a clay pot, and let the water dry up. Then add the layer of rice to it. Spread the layer of rice. Now to this add the vegetables. Add the vegetables nicely, spread them all over the rice and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes until the flavors of the vegetables blends with the rice and the rice also gets cooked. Then we will add the vegetable stock. You can thicken the vegetable stock by adding half a teaspoon of cornstarch to water and add it to the stock. Plus you can squeeze out juice of 1 lemon. This will give it a nice flavor. Now let us add salt also. We have not added any salt. So let us add half a teaspoon of salt. Some chili garlic sauce as well as soya sauce. This is dark soy, so I am going to add very little since it gives a very strong color, and 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. Let it boil. Let us add the stock now. And serve it hot. I can sprinkle some spring onion leaves on this to give it more color. So my one pot vegetable rice, a complete meal with lot of fiber, lot of vegetables, vitamins, healthy, digestive meal is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment. Let me know how this is. This is Amita Bagai from Amita Bagai's Amazing Kitchen. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your meal. It is just a one pot meal and you're really going to enjoy it. Have a good day and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita Bagai's Amazing Kitchen, bringing you simple day-to-day recipes from your very own kitchen and refrigerator. Thanks a lot.